Are you a 3D artist or animator? Do you spend hours creating 3D models or animating them? Then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to share the easiest method of generating 3D models from text prompts and turning any 2D image into a 3D model in seconds. And the best part? It's completely free to use. Ready to unlock your 3D creation journey? Subscribe to the channel and watch the video till the end. Okay? If you are a professional 3D artist or want to start your 3D animation or product modeling journey, then let me introduce an amazing text to 3D and image to 3D generator called Hunyuan 3D Engine or Tencent Hunyuan model. This is a 3D AI model fully developed by Tencent, Chinese tech giant. Tencent just released its V2.5 3D model that can create amazing high-quality 3D models from text prompts and turn images into 3D models. Compared to its predecessor, V2.5 enables Ultra HD geometric detailing, delivering smoother surfaces, sharper edges, and richer details. You can even generate 3D animations, textures of any object, generate 3D characters, turn your rough sketch into 3D, and even create a 3D mini-game. Most importantly, you can install and use this incredible model on your local system and use it for free. First of all, we have to create an account. Simply click on the Login button and then create an account using your email. Once you are logged in, your interface will be like this. At the top of the page, you will find 4 options. AI creation to generate 3D assets. Laboratory to access various 3D applications. The workflow is to create 3D workflows. And in the assets, you will find all of your assets you have created using Hunyuan 3D Engine. To create a 3D model using text prompts, come to the AI Creation tab and then enter the text prompt here in this box. You will find a detailed prompt guide here. Simply mention the subject, features, and style. For example, I am typing futuristic sci-fi gun, black and blue neon color, hyper-realistic. Here, the futuristic sci-fi gun is the subject, black and blue neon color is the feature, and in the end, the style. After entering the prompt, select the generation model. You can select the V2.5 or V2.0 model. I will go with the latest 2.5 model. Next, if you want to generate PBR map, then turn on this feature. In the end, you have to choose a texture style. Once everything is set, hit the generate button. And here it is. The AI is generating 4 variants. I will take some time. Okay, you can see that AI generates 4 variants of the model. Now you have to select the best one. For example, I am selecting this one. Okay, this is our generated model. You can see the preview from here. This is really amazing. Hunyuan generates a very high-quality 3D model for us. If you are a 3D artist, then you may know how much time it takes to create this kind of 3D model. It's truly a blessing for any 3D artist. You can change the material from here to see the preview. Okay, here on the right side, you will find some more options. First, we have automatic bone binding or rigging. Next, you can change the geometric style. And to save the model, select the file format and then hit the download button. It's simple. Now, if you already have an image of any product and want to convert it into a 3D model, then come back to the home page and then select the Tusheng 3D option. Here you will find 2 options, single image and multiple images. If you have multiple images from different angles of the image, then use the multiple image option, which will provide a high-quality result. Once the image is uploaded, set the settings and then hit the generate button. And here it is, our models are ready, and look at the quality of the model. This is just incredible. So now you can create this kind of high-quality 3D assets using text prompts or reference images within a few clicks. And the result is just incredible. So if you are a 3D artist or product model creator, don't forget to try this tool. The link will be in the description. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience creating 3D models with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.